Best products to sell in November, Shopify Dropshipping. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at some of the top products that I have found during this season of November, which you can definitely sell in December, throughout Christmas, and even throughout the New Year's time period. So a lot of these products are seasonal. They are presently trending, and right now for dropshipping, it's very essential that you find a trending product because people are often looking to buy the trends, people are looking to buy into whatever is popular, whatever is new. And a lot of the products that people see on TikTok, on Instagram, those products are becoming super viral. So you want to target those kinds of products to add to your Shopify store to be able to increase your sales. So I have a quick list for you guys so you can, skip through the difficult part of searching around for products and move directly into product sourcing. So first off, I have a very, very popular and in-demand product, which is eyelash extension mascara. So this went viral a couple of months back, but recently it has come back into the waves of social media. And what it basically is that it is a form of mascara that has, tiny little eyelashes within the mascara. So it makes people's eyelashes look larger. Beauty products are often a very, very good seller, and people like the beauty products. There are so many beauty influencers that are trending, and you can easily find these kinds of products on Alibaba, AliExpress, and they are absolutely safe to use. They are tested, they don't have any kind of harmful ingredients. You can easily sell them within the United States, within Canada. You don't have to worry about any kind of regulations. Their products are very safe to use, and you can see that it's also called fiber silk lash extension mascara, so you can find it via that method as well. And if you're ordering in bulk, you can easily get a price for as low as $1, and the markup for these can go up to 100 times. So depending on the packaging, depending on how you're going to, formulate the mascara, you can easily sell it to upwards of $100. Usually I would price it somewhere around $25. That's a reasonable markup. It can incur all of your shipping costs, all of that. Even if you remove that, if your net revenue is still going to be above like $20, and in terms of profit, you can still be profiting $15 off of each mascara sale. So this is why I really like it. Plus, you can see even on AliExpress or Alibaba right now, you can see that they have this lash extension mascara, and you can even get your own logo, your own brand name directly on the bottle from AliExpress. So that is going to be a very simple way for you to be able to directly ship the product to your customers. Now, moving on to our next product, we have blanket summer. So a lot of people are looking for blankets, and there are a bunch of different trending blankets, and you can easily find these kinds of blankets and those printed blankets that become viral on TikTok. So if I was to talk about those printed blankets that are becoming viral on TikTok, a lot of people are looking for summer blankets. They're looking for weighted blankets as well. So you can find weighted blankets on AliExpress as well and then sell those for a markup. Now, this is a seasonal product. So depending on the type of season it's going, you can supply summer blankets, or then you can also supply winter blankets, which can also be called as weighted blankets. So these are super popular. People often look for those blanket hoodies in the winters, and that is going to be another amazing way that you can profit off of the December season. Plus, blankets are a very popular gift during Christmas, so you can actually search for things like avocado blanket, or just search for a animal. You can find animal themed blankets, and those become a very popular gift during Christmas season. So you can see this is like a pizza blanket, a tortilla wrap blanket. You have pizza blankets, you have Merry Christmas blankets, fairy blankets. So these are super popular during the holiday season, and it is going to be a very profitable sale, although these themed blankets don't sell as well during the rest of the season. So that is just something to keep in mind. Now, next up, we also have these pregnant seat belts. So these have become recently a very, 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 very popular thing. These are pregnancy seat belts where people can, pregnant women can, put these seat belts on. They keep their baby safe, they keep them safe. It's a lot easier for pregnant women to wear these seat belts, and you can see it costs around $1 to $6, and the minimum is 50 pieces. And you can see they're super easy, simple products. They're not large in size, so you can easily ship them to your customers. And these are one of those products that people love to try out just because it is such a useful and effective product. So it can really simplify a lot of people's day-to-day lives. That is why it has recently become so popular, and it's really become popular on TikTok. I saw it blast off during the season of November. So it's definitely a worthwhile product to add to your Shopify store. You can find so many different variations of this product. There are versions where they have like a little seating pad below it. There are versions where they have like, a direct pregnancy seat belt. They also have extension versions. So you can see this is how it's supposed to, be used. There are multiple different versions, colors available that you can add, and you will really be able to make a variable type of product. So you can create a simple version, you can add a more complicated version of this, of one with the heating pad. You can increase the price for that, and you can make variable versions or variations of the same product from this kind of product on your Shopify store. So next up on our list, we have these pet toys. So this has recently become a super popular toy. It is a pet carrot pusher, and you can easily find these on a lot of pet stores on AliExpress. And these are, pulled radish toy plush or the carrot toy. It's super easy and simple, and is slightly larger in size because it's like a puffy product, but it still is a very great product to sell on your Shopify store. Now, moving on to the next product, we also have magnetic educational toys. So these have become super popular because of the increase in educational toys. People are really looking for interesting ways to teach children, to teach them different shapes, different animals, so on and so forth. And these are like magnetic little plastic bubbles which can attach to each other, and people can form all kinds of 3D shapes. You can see over here in the samples they have provided. There are multiple different types of shapes, and you can really buy these in bulk and package them yourselves as well. So you can see that we have these versions as well. Instead of getting these in packages, just buy the 3D toys in bulk, and you can package them yourself if you want, or you can directly buy them off of AliExpress as a package and sell them to your consumers. Now, I'm not talking about these animal toys, I'm talking about these magnetic ones, because some of these listings are for the, the basic toys, but we're looking for the magnetic ones. These are super popular and are trending on a lot of mom feed pages on TikTok and Instagram as well. Now, moving on to our next product, we also have a long handle mop. So this is one of those long running products, although the weight for this has decreased a bit, but it still is a great product to use. It is one of those mops that has a extension built into it. So it can just be, broken down and become a smaller piece. And then you can also extend the mop. So in hard to reach areas, people can extend the mop, and it's like a standard product that can easily be a good addition to your Shopify store. Now, moving on to the next product, we also have the pumpkin self-cleaning brush for animals. Now, this is super, super popular right now. If there is a time to get this, right now is the best time. This is one of my best products. I'm currently selling this on my Shopify store, and there is a animal version called the pumpkin self-cleaning sticker comb brush, and there is also the human version, which is the self-cleaning hairbrush. So both of these items are amazing. You can get them for as low as like 15 or less than 15, like $5 to $6, and they're super nice and can be used in a very nice manner for you to be able to sell and increase your sales. These are super trendy, so they are one of my top picks out of all the products I have listed today. And then we also have a laser leveling machine. So laser printers have become super popular right now, and there are a lot of people using them. So these levelers are super helpful. People always want to reduce the time that they have to spend on each individual project, and these can really help them in doing so, hence making a great addition to your store. Then last up, we also have snowboarding shorts. So snowboarding shorts have recently become popular amongst people, amongst a lot of these sporty Instagram pages. They are now promoting these, and they are amazing to sell on your Shopify store. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and you're now able to take a look at the trending products for your sales as well. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.